So, with everything becoming more convenient, why can't you read your news anywhere you want in real time without losing time? Why do you still have to browse a bunch of titles and ads just to read your RSS news? With Feeds API, you don't have to. Feeds API expands any truncated feeds to a full RSS feed in seconds. You only need to give us your RSS URL, your access key, and tell us how to handle links within the content. We can even remove unsuccessful extraction trials from the flow and deliver the content as XML and RSS to Google Reader or any other RSS reader, and even JSON for developers. If you submit your email along with your RSS URL and your access key, all items are automatically sent to your email inbox to access and read from any of your devices or any email client in real time. Trying it for free is fast and simple. At www.feedsapi.org, click on the top right red button and fill out the form to receive your access key and use it. Feeds API. Full RSS to email in real time.